Welcome to Wellness Co's 14-day Body Reset and Sculpt Challenge, a result-driven challenge designed by the experts. This isn't a crash course or a boot camp. It's a structured, holistic plan that optimizes how your body heals, moves, and glows. Over the next 2 weeks, we'll work on inflammation, fat metabolism, muscle tone, recovery, and cellular health using advanced therapies and smart nutrition. Let's get started. Day 1, Inflammation Reset. We kick off by calming internal inflammation because that's often the root cause of fatigue, bloating, and even dull skin. Today's about resetting your system with a personalized nutrition consult, increasing hydration, aim for about 2.5 liters or more, and incorporating light movement like walking or yoga to activate your lymphatic flow. We finish with whole body cryotherapy, which can reduce inflammation markers by up to 40%. It's a powerful way to start fresh. Day 2, Detox Kickoff. Today we start flushing out toxins more actively. The far-infrared sauna helps boost circulation and can burn up to 600 calories in a single session, all while supporting detox pathways. Pair this with a guided deep stretch protocol to release muscle tension. And remember, hydration is your best friend. Add electrolytes to your water to enhance cellular detox. Day 3, Cleanse and Recover. Day 3 is a restorative pause to let the body absorb everything we've done so far. We introduce red light therapy, which supports cellular repair and helps with skin rejuvenation. Gentle yoga or stretching will help keep your body moving without stress, and it's important to stick to your meal plan and keep sipping on that water throughout the day. This recovery day is just as important as the active ones. Day 4, Muscle Activation. It's time to wake up your muscles. EMS training today will help stimulate up to 90% of your muscle fibers, far more than a traditional workout. This is especially useful if you haven't been active recently. Make sure to follow it up with 1.2 to 1.5 grams of protein per kg of your body weight to support recovery and muscle development. You start noticing changes in strength and tone. Day 5, Fat Burn Boost. Let's give your metabolism a boost. The Fat Burner IV drip we use today is packed with B12 and amino acids to support fat metabolism and increase energy. A 30-minute walk post-session can help your body process these changes more effectively. Stick to green vegetables, lemon water, and light meals. You're going to feel more energized and lighter by the end of today. Day 6, Recover and Reset. Your body has been working hard, and today is about helping it recover smarter. We combine the far-infrared sauna with pneumatic compression therapy to reduce soreness and improve circulation. On the nutrition side, focus on anti-inflammatory foods. Berries, turmeric, avocado, and yes, keep the hydration going. Your body's flushing and healing at the same time. Day 7, Sculpt and Strengthen. Today, we introduce Cryo-EMS, one of our favorite sessions for visible muscle toning and localized fat reduction. It uses cold therapy combined with electrical muscle stimulation to sculpt and tighten the body. You'll feel firmer almost immediately. Follow this session with lean protein and steamed or sauteed vegetables to give your body the nutrients it needs to rebuild. Day 8, Power Burn. Energy meets balance today. You will be taking the Wellness Co's Total Wellness Capsule to support metabolism, gut health, and cellular function. Nutritionally, stick to a balanced plate with complex carbs like quinoa or brown rice, lean protein like tofu or chicken, and a colorful mix of veggies. Today is about powering through with stability. Day 9, Core and Control. Today is about building strength from inside out. EMS Pilates helps activate your deep core muscles while improving posture and body control. It's gentle but powerful. Fuel yourself with magnesium-rich foods like nuts and seeds to support nerve and muscle function, and pay attention to your breath. It's your best tool for control. Day 10, Cold Reset. We are heading back to the cryo chamber, this time for a full body reset. Whole body cryotherapy chamber exposes you to ultra-low temperatures to reduce inflammation, improve sleep quality, and release endorphins. Track how you're feeling today, physically and mentally. At this point in the program, your body is recalibrating from the inside. Day 11, Sculpt and Strengthen. Again, we bring back Cryo-EMS today to lock in tone and definition. It's about consistency and repetition. You'll notice firmer arms, abs, thighs, wherever your target area was. Post-session, go for a protein-rich meal and keep your form in check. Good posture enhances results. Day 12, Reset and Nourish. You've earned a pause. Today is the day to replenish. Take your Total Wellness capsule, focus on warm, nourishing meals like soups, stews, and hydrating broth, and prioritize hours of quality sleep. Your body is rebuilding, repairing, and restoring. This is where long-term results begin to lock in. Day 13, final strength push. This is your final toning session, and we are focusing on definition. EMS training today will target abs, glutes, and arms, areas where most people want that final sculpt. Make sure to include magnesium in your supplements or meals to help with post-workout soreness, and don't skip on proteins. You've come a long way today, and it's about power and control. Day 14, glow and go. You've made it. Today we celebrate your transformation. Start with the sauna ritual to relax and promote endorphin release. We'll do one final nutrition check-in and talk about how to maintain these results long-term. You've sculpted, reset, and recharged. Now it's time to glow and go. Congratulations on completing the 14-day body reset and sculpt challenge. What you've achieved is more than just physical change. It's metabolic and mental reset. Your body is now functioning with improved circulation, reduced inflammation, better digestion, and visibly enhanced muscle tone. You've also cultivated habits, energy, and awareness that can last well beyond these 14 days. Keep listening to your body, and remember, this is just the beginning of the next chapter in wellness.